After a decade of research and observation, the mystery of cosmic blobs has finally been unraveled. 10 years ago, astronomers discovered these vast reservoirs of hydrogen gas in young distant galaxies, but they couldn't explain the source of energy that lit them. Following work done through the Chandra X-ray Observatory, the source of this energy has been identified for the first time. A team of researchers led by James Geach of Durham University in the UK discovered a significant source of power within these colossal structures is from growing supermassive black holes partially obscured by dense layers of dust and gas. Dr. Mario Livio, a theoretical astrophysicist at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, explains.
What Geach and the collaborators now did was that they used the Chandra X-ray Observatory to observe these blobs and to show that there are these points of light in X-rays within them. These are sources that emit their energy in the form of X-rays. And this is really the sign of a black hole that collects mass from its surrounding and releases that energy in the form of X-rays. And it is those X-rays that are hitting the blobs.
The implication is that cosmic blobs represent a stage when the galaxies and black holes are beginning to stop their rapid growth. In other words, the galaxies are coming of age. This is a crucial step in the evolution of galaxies and black holes known as feedback. Again, Dr. Livio.
So we are really seeing the galaxy here, not at its infancy, but when it already, starts to actually form. So what this gives us, it's kind of another link in this evolution of galaxies.
Perhaps as important as the conclusion of the study is the method in which the study was produced. As Dr. Livio explains, this is modern science at work.
So really, this team used a whole collection of telescopes, and this is really how modern astronomy progresses, by using information that is gathered from a number of telescopes. So, for example, they used the Hubble Space Telescope to get an image in optical light of these blobs. They also used the Subaru ground-based telescope to get part of the image. Then they used the Chandra X-ray Observatory to discover that there is this black hole, there that's powering things. And they used the Spitzer infrared telescope to see all this infrared light that comes from these young stars that are being born. So it is really after they piece all this information together that they can get a complete picture of what's going on.
The results of the study appear in the July 10th issue of the Astrophysical Journal. Tony Pyle, Reuters.